Hey everybody, Cassandra Von Worsley here with you with another episode of IGTV. If you are new to my IGTV episodes, you can check out more information about me at CassandraVon.com. You can also check out the books that I've written on Amazon at OvercomingFearBooks.com. And of course, if you are an entrepreneur, if you're even thinking about starting a business, you can join my free Facebook community called Fire Your Inner Critic, Find Your Inner Badass, and finally, build your business at facebook.com/groups/fire your inner critic. Okay, so in today's IGTV episode, I want to talk about how do you make the best of wherever you are. You know, it's easy to feel good when life is going according to plan, which rarely happens, by the way. It is easy to feel good when your life is going the way that you want it to. When things are calm, when things are smooth, when people are saying the right things and doing the right things, and your life is unfolding and you're getting a promotion at work and your relationships are amazing. It is easy to be happy with your life when things are going according to plan. But since most of life is la vida loca anyway, what do you do and how do you make the best of your life when shit is hitting the fan? When life is la vida loca, when things that you thought would never explode do, when your life is crashing around you, when, and maybe it's not even that extreme, maybe it's just that you're not happy where you are, you thought you would be much further than you are right now. How do you make the best of wherever you are? And so I'm going to help you out with that today because this is something that I work on in my own life on a daily basis, and it's a remembrance of sorts. It's a deciding of sorts in order to make wherever you are right now the best that it possibly can be. In order to make the best of where you are, you've got to have a mindset shift, and that mindset shift has to be that I'm not waiting to arrive. I'm not waiting until to be happy. I'm not waiting for this achievement or that thing or this person to change. The moment life changes is the moment that you change your orientation to life. So if you want to have a blast right now, no matter what's going on in your life, if you want to experience joy and peace and love, do you know what? It can't be about the circumstances. It can't be about other people and their needing to change. It all comes down to you. How are you having fun today? How are you looking at life today? How are you experiencing joy today? Do you realize that joy and happiness are much the same in the fact that they're an inside job? That even in a moment of absolute grief and sorrow, you can find something to be joyful about. You can find something to hold on to. You can find something to get excited about. And so often we use fear as the excuse when really fear is just the opposite coin of excitement. One side is fear, one side is excitement. So I'm going to say this to you, and I'm going to give this to you as a call to action. If you want to enjoy your life starting today, if you want to enjoy where you are, if you want to make the best of where you are no matter what you're going through, it has nothing to do with changing your circumstances and everything to do with changing your mind. And you are the only person who can do that. So do it. Decide that you deserve to be happy now. Decide that you deserve to have joy now. Decide that being loving in the world, no matter who is or is not loving you, now is a powerful game changer. And then change the game. Because tomorrow isn't promised. Because next year isn't promised. Because at the end of the day, your life is your choice always. So decide for yourself. I'm going to have fun today. I'm going to have joy today. I'm going to have love today. And this is my life. All right, everybody, I will catch you on the next episode of IGTV.